ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಕಾ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕಾ? But the Dayas, all the Dayas, I think they are from outside. Anyway, I'll try to match it. Lot of audience of Kannada. Anyway, it is a great moment for me, great moment for Karnataka. His Excellency, our Attorney General of India, Mr. Venkatraman is here. On behalf of Government of Karnataka and the people of Karnataka, I would like to thank for coming to this great event, sir. Mr. Sri Krishnan is there. I could see a lot of enthusiasm, leadership quality. I think he can deliver much stronger. I feel some confidence today. I had some lot of confidence, lost some confidence. I will tell you later. But I am sure Mr. Sri Krishnan will do his best to grow more stronger for the benefit for Karnataka and country. Mr. Pradeep Kumar is also a Kannadiga, being the chairman. He is on the dais. Mr. Shekhar Rao is on the dais, who has given, is the executive director. Shri Rajendra Kumar, who gave you the stamp, Postmaster General of Karnataka, is here. I thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to Karnataka Bank. My friend Somshekhar is here, who is a former minister who traveled with me in Bangalore. Lot of leaders, chairmen, executive members, board of management, and all the customers who have been a part of the growth of this great institution are here. First, let me congratulate all of you that we have been in this great occasion to celebrate the 100th year of Karnataka banking. ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವೈಭವನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ₹100 ನಾಣ್ಯನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್ ಅವರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋರು, ನಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋನು. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಇದು ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಇದು ಭಾಗ್ಯವಯ್ಯ ಪದುಬನಾಭನ ಪಾದ ಭಜನೆ ಪರಮ ಸುಖವಯ್ಯ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನವರು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, ನಾವು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So today I have come with joy, I have come with passion, I have come with vision. But I had lost of hopes on this Dakshina Kannada banking system. We know that we are a legend by ourselves. Canara Bank was born here, Corporation Bank was born here, Syndicate Bank was born here, Karnataka Bank is born here. But today, I don't know who made the mistake, but our banks have been vanished. Today, you should all take a oath. All the members of this bank, the management, the staff should take a oath. We will, in the future, we will merge other banks to Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank should be the pioneer. I was shouting at my leaders, my political leaders, my friends. I know how I am a customer of only Vijaya Bank. Now I didn't have any option. I am not the Karnataka Bank customer. But my friends, Mr. Cafe Coffee Day, my relative is not here, is a big customer of you. Used to tell very much about your bank. My friend, our MLC is here, who was a director of your bank, Mr. Jairam. They used to tell much about bank. But the simplicity, and this bank was not only looking at industrialist or big businessmen. It used to serve a common man and an agriculturist in the rural parts. This has kept us now. We saw the history of this bank. I felt that the way you have grown forward, if you forget the root, you will not get the fruit. You are on your route. You have not changed. I saw your history. I should salute Dr. Shivram Karant, who has given Rangoli to your bank. That is the history of this great state. We have a culture. Though India has been adjacent to this, that Rangoli has not been missed. You should maintain it. Today we all are in Mangalore. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಂಥ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಚ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ entrepreneurs. It is a land of rich scenery where big sea is there, port is there, railway is there, roadway is there, and international port is there. But still today we are in a very difficult stage. I don't want to speak politics. I don't want to mix politics from that. But you all have to work. Karnataka Bank base is in Bangalore. You should see that this Dakshina Kannada, the Udupi, coastal Mangalore, should not vanish on the Indian scenery. You have a very big history. No place in Karnataka has such a big history. The number of schools here on quality education, the number of engineering colleges here, number of medical colleges here, I think nowhere in the country such a quality of education is there. You are producing the vibrant manpower of this country.
ಅನುಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿ www.vistaranews.com ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಗೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಯಲು ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.